Hello friends, neighbors, this is Mickey. Welcome back to Hills Mill Homestead. Today I'm out here in the orchard. I want to share with you the results of the Electroculture Orchard Antenna that I've got on all of my trees, my pear trees, my apples, plums, and all of that. But right now, I'm out here picking some peaches off of this June peach tree. This is my favorite one. The peaches seem to come in a little bit earlier, and they're a really good size. Those are probably close to a baseball size. But just want to share this with you. We're going to move through the orchard and show you how the progress is going, and we're going to pick some peaches. So next to my June peach, I've got the Belle of Georgia. Now I'm going to tell you where this tree came from. About 3 years ago, on one of my visits to Deep South Homestead, Mr. Danny and Miss Wanda gifted me this peach tree. You can look back on the video. We cut the top of it off when we put it in the back of my truck, and this tree is 3 years old, and this thing is loaded with peaches. It is just doing great. Now I did prune it back in the fall, but I'm going to give a shout out to Deep South Homestead. Thank you, Mr. Danny. Thank you, Miss Wanda. There's the results of a peach tree in Middle Tennessee. Out here at the end of my orchard, I've got my Freedom blackberries, and they are just beginning to get ready. One of the tricks to a blackberry, when you want to know when it is the sweetest it's going to be, is when you touch it and it falls off. That is the apex of the sweetest blackberry you're going to have. See how easy that one came off? It gone. Oh yeah. But you can also see that these tomato clips are so useful for everything, any type of vine. I use them on the grapes. And if you're interested in those clips, you can visit our website, hillsmill.com, and check out the different products that we have. And we sure appreciate any support that you can share with us. But moving on throughout the orchard, it is really, really doing well. Well, the potatoes are finally playing out a little bit, and I've been digging them in these containers all along for the past couple of days. But I want to share this with you again. That is 4 containers and a portion of the raised bed that I have where those potatoes are planted. So they've done pretty good. Now a lot of times you'll let these die all the way back until there's not much stem left, but I don't want to have to let them die all the way back. We have had so much rain. So let's just continue, see what kind of potatoes we can get here. These should all be the Pontiac red. One more. There's one on top. Come on, taters. And I like those for a pot roast right there. And those little bitty ones too. What I call bite size. But you know, I've had good success growing potatoes in containers. I think this may be the 4th, 5th year I've done this, and I've always had good success, especially with the Pontiac Red and the Kennebec. Let's see if we can find some more potatoes. And I tell you this, growing your potatoes in containers sure makes it easy to find them. Just dig around with your hand. It may be getting close to all of them. And this is all the new compost that I brought in this year. And wherever I've used it, it's done well. I wonder what you may see in the background. I got a little project I'm working on. Leave a message in the comments below and tell me what you think I'm building. But I hope you enjoyed the video with the orchard. Visit our website, hillsmill.com. Check out our products. Our orchard electroculture antenna, my garden electroculture antenna, and a few other things in the tomato clips. Look in the description below for an affiliate link for plantsurge, Vago Garden. Follow those codes and you can receive a discount if you make a purchase. Really appreciate your time watching this video. I'm going to continue digging some more potatoes. I've got a few more to go. And much more to do. I got to get back on my little side project I've got going. So I just want to say thank you for watching. See you on the next video.